Okay, number one, we have a pyramid. And real quick, here's our formula sheet. For a pyramid, we have 1/2 perimeter times the slant height for the lateral surface area, and then 1/2 perimeter times the slant height plus the area of the base for the total surface area. So let me go back to here. So for my lateral surface area, it's 1/2 perimeter times the slant height. The perimeter, this is a square, so the perimeter is 4 times 10 or 40 because all four sides are 10. And then the slant height is 22. So half of 40 is 20 times 22. 0, 2 times 2 is 4. 4, and so we get 440 centimeters squared for the lateral surface area. And then the total surface area is that. And I'm just used to doing them separately. You can do them all in one step. So the 440 here plus the area of the base would be 10 squared, which would be 100. So that's going to be 540, 100 plus 440. And so moving on to number two, it's a cone. And I told you you could leave the pi in on this one. So my lateral is pi RL. So pi times 6 times 15. 30, carry the 3, it's 90. So I get 90 pi here. And then my total surface area is pi RL plus plus pi R squared. Let's go back to that formulas page right here. Pi RL plus pi R squared. So we have 90 pi, and again, you can just go straight to this. That's fine. Plus pi times 6 squared. So that's 36 pi. So how many pi's do I have? 90 plus 36 is 126. And if we had to go to it's 126 pi inches squared. If we had to go to an actual decimal place, then what we would have to do is take this 126 and multiply it by that pi value of 3.14. I was just trying to speed up the homework for you. On number 3, this is actually the diameter, so the radius is 9. And on this one, our surface area formula is 4 pi r squared. So we have 4 times pi times 9 squared. So order of operations, do my exponent first. 9 squared is not 36, it's 81. And then I need to multiply my 81 times my 4. And I get 324 pi centimeters squared. And again, if I needed to get that as a decimal, I would need to multiply by 3.14. On this one, my total surface area, I'm just going to go straight through. It's 1/2 perimeter of the base times the slant height plus the area of the base. In this case, the base is a square, so its area is 3 squared. The perimeter, it's 3, 3, 3, and 3, so that's 12. And the slant height is 4. So half of 12 is 6. 3 squared is 9. 6 times 4 is 24. So we get 33 square yards. And then number 5, we have a cone. And so it's pi RL plus pi R squared. And so R in this case is 10 because they give you the diameter. So pi times 10 times 30 plus pi times 10 squared. 10 times 30 is 300. 10 squared is 100. So I'm going to get 400 pi. And then on this one, surface area is pi r, 4 pi r squared. So 4 times pi times 10 squared. 10 squared is 100. So we get 400 pi. And if we had to have this as a decimal, we would take 3.14 times that 400. And I would do it this way because then I only have to multiply by the 4. 16, carry the 1. That would be 5. 3 times 4 is 12. We need 2 decimals, so we would get 1,256 square inches for surface area.